Well, good morning, country people. On number 4 day for inside the week, and when I know say so, now number 7 day for month for March 2024. Tomorrow, a day for enjoyment for women them, and them too. They don't talk to this, so they get talk where they get for talk not only for March and chop dreaming bow, and then come back the next day. Say that one he get for be aside. They don't talk but we be Thomas, we get for see before we believe. Me we enter now for song number chapter 1 na Palava, the woman day we get for take place tomorrow for inside Cameroon, for inside market and for inside country. Camera for LTM, it be Tonton for inside Yaoundé. You go for Saudi we call now for marché A2D. We see say so market a flop and then they close them. We go for use them tomorrow for make match for before number 1 woman for inside country when na Chantabia. We see say so they close them. There plenty for inside market, but it surely say woman them they not get money for take buy them, and some people them they talk say so it be for them useless because talk where they talk up every year. People them where they do for up the every year say them focus not only for woman day for say rapper they ever buy them every week and every month, not only for 1 year where they go come buy them. Some people say they so they glad because they rapper for the year they get color where they like them, and then 2 they get for buy them. We go now for another one now so for marché A2D for inside Yaoundé. Some market where they don't build them fine, but for side down for people they say charcoal, they then inside dark and they pay ticket for council, and they say so this place if you may come person it last blind, so na top way come out for that side as mommy them they cry say they so me council it can look side where they sell try way for put them Lambo because people blind for that side. We go come on now sharp morning time 3 a.m. for side where they call them from 1 yes from 1 na known for some village for that side for Bakoko na opposite the Japoma Stadium. Now what happen now people them for council where they don't come out they surprise the population where they should for that side they book all that been their place. They say they so man where again friends it don't talk to this so they disturb you say me council come broke them. Now we council to don't come and then broke them now for night been there people that want the one come where they don't broke the kako after thief someone them they vamos with them. So been there people them for that side they cry say they so one now for Cameroon again for check inside why they get for come broke people them now for night where people them they sleep say it not look good at all as they talk them. So small time you go see them all because for LTM we get time for talk show them the way it happen. We come up for that one now we go talk another one but send to read for some morning time it tell we say it sends to read for some morning time it talk say but where is strong head it could last year na stone for rubber gun for your skin but where is strong head na stone for rubber gun could last show you place where it get for sleep. Person we send up for we na Pa Jonas is sent up for we for mile 14 for side for Buya and for Southwest Cameroon. Woman we support am na Malizet is support am for side for Lom, and with the side we say Lom it na inside Mongo, and Mongo is self it for inside littoral it dey for inside Cameroon. Nandenge will come back before we go see am and then here wait with the pass. We go start with message. When I not say this, so anytime we will come for today house, we will send when a message for upside. Message it touch you today, tomorrow it go touch your neighbor. Message when they come today na some title holder don't send them. And the day na for side for Garwa. Any talk say this, so any beg na beg the title holder. For side for Northwest. Say no, she don't quiet. You know the talk. Now for see how thing them the worker. So you time for talk he don't reach. He don't talk say so in the bed, he papa them, fold them for side for northwest, shift them for side for southwest, shift them for central region, shift them for west region, and shift them for that side for Adamawa. Say, talk for this morning time now, say, me then work their hand, come out for inside politics, tradition, it could take back his place. Sometimes they never hear fine. Say we both turn them for northwest, shift them for southwest, shift them for central region, shift them for that side for northern part of Cameroon, shift them for Adamawa, and shift them for west region. Say me then work their hand, come out hand for inside politics, tradition, it could turn back, take your place. Say when they want make tradition now for any place, it not dey work because shift them, they do for inside politics. And another politics, they kill tradition. Because for being politician, it needs to mean you rely. But for being cheap, it not needs to mean you rely your population. Say me then come out from inside politics, anything where they need them, it will come. Because God is not like politics. Plenty family they don't start up because of politics, because this brother, big brother, they for this party, small brother, they for this party. Now they know they talk again because they did for different party and will not be normal. So man we hear the news, me tell you chief or you phone. Because now talk we come out for title holder. We still back country people and say when you follow we for Facebook, try for share the link. Because for Cameroon, like you go for this side, you know they for this side. So man we go start with like you know they you get for follow am na through the link where you don't send them. So now the only thing that way with the back country people and say me the help we for share the link. It go help some person for some place. Simon time NJANGI house group. All the cameraman them from NJANGI house. When them will work from NJANGI house, the same way thing that way they happen for that side. Simon time they go to get their meeting and it go happen now for side for Bafang. Any man we want support them, it go support them for your own way. So we get for joint meeting so that we will talk, see how we go change system for work for 2024. Maybe internet for chapter 1 na palaba woman day in tomorrow. Where all women they don't prepare. Man will be the keep one from, he don't get money for buy your papa. Man will not be the keep on, he get to go ask your boyfriend or your husband. Inside market for Cameroon, inside Yaoundé, we see them how they don't hang them. They don't hang, they close them all inside Yaoundé. But it is so they say that's a bad market a day because the price is over day up. They want for 20,000 day. They want for 25,000 day. They want for 15,000 day. And then the poorest person they could buy it under for 10,000. Yeah. So they don't hang them, so they wait and woman them. Woman them too they wait man picking. Man picking he says the word patron. Me patron pay so that me satisfy a woman or your girlfriend. So kind style a day where they don't make them. Kind. Even the one for small picking a day. But plenty women they talk to they so this clothes not be a solution for their trouble. Say the clothes not be a solution for their trouble. Say them that trouble for inside their society, but man will solve them in no day. They declare say they say Palava northwest and southwest. Me they look the solution. Me they not come now with Rapami people buy them. Say Palava price for things for inside country for market where it don't there, rice it don't there, Irish potatoes don't there, mbonga don't there. Me they look inside. And me they look Palava transport. Where taxi it give on price, bus it give on price, and then Okada it give on price. Say now that kind of thing them where they be paid for the fix am. Say Palava for go match dream mimbo chop. Say that one they don't do so they tire. So this woman tell you say this so this cook na cook for those where they get for go sleep for upside. We say this so how much the woman say this so 15,000 for take money. I say anyhow we did. Now woman them they get for buy them because they don't give them one day, but they take the one day they want compare with man picking. Say anything with man picking feed do am, woman feed do am, a pass am. Now the one for small picking this, yes, where they get for buy them too. And they say take money for that one, na 3,000 or 2,500. So when I see this, so woman them, they go there for up tomorrow. For person where your boyfriend, he don't feel get his salary, and your husband, he don't feel get his salary. Woman, he get for smile tomorrow. Me when I not go dance, sleep for upside. Me when I not go drunk, go sleep with boyfriend, forget road for go for your husband house. Now they advise you I don't take 1 week for send and now. So for A to D, they don't be the market for fine way, and then they give them for rentage for high price. But fine way they say thing where they call them for French say charbon, and they call them for English say charcoal. Say the president of a total dark, and any 12 o'clock for daytime, they can't ask them for pay ticket. Then when this woman they talk to so this one, you know they understand. Inside capital for Cameroon, when they show a good example, but the inside they are inside dark. When they look some market for inside country, they see say so light is there outside. But the one for side for A to D, where they for corner presidency, is there on the inside dark. Say the thing it don't pass them. Say the thing it don't pass them. Say me cancel for Yaoundé. Number one, me it look inside because they not go continue the sell for inside dark. Say person feel last can be a blind person where he come out for this place. So customer them too they fear. When person come for buy charcoal, it they turn up for upside. Then bring the charcoal cancel for you because you know one come for that. And they say they so three people them they make aggression for daytime for this place. No man you know they talk. No man you know they talk. Until where they for inside Cameroon, na Kim man pay. Surtout from Marché Itodi, na die. When you want pass on that side, hold your telephone fine, hold your back fine. If you do with small picking, tie am fine. If not so, they go see them enter for don quarter, you know go see them again. And for play way, security begin for being tight, but we don't leave them. And insecurity is for that side. Me we answer for this countryman. Countryman, what did they pass for a to the market side for say charcoal where woman and then inside dark. Talk me we here.
I share today. The market is dark because they construct the market very poorly. So light no they come for this side. Now why that way the market is dark so? They use bulb as now they see bulb then. So when bulb no they man no be sell for it, even people no be pass. They even aggressive people then here except for daytime. So me I advise if government if come do something, say they fit change the plan, then they try to finish the market so that maybe commerçant de oui, what would they under or fait quand même des fines pour ça.
Nous sommes dans l'obscurité. On ne peut pas payer la lumière au quartier. On paie encore la lumière ici au marché. On ne gagne rien. Il n'y a même pas le marché. La marchandise ne se vend pas. Nous sommes dans l'eau noire. Et quand il pleut, il y a l'eau ici là abondamment. Il y a l'inondation. On nage dans l'eau. Nos marchandises se gâtent.
Est-ce que vous payez les tickets?
Oui, chaque samedi, on paie le ticket. 1000 francs.
1000 francs chaque samedi?
Oui, c'est le marché d'étudier. Secteur charbon.
C'est quoi?
Marché d'étudier. Oui, secteur charbon.
Ok, donc sortez.
Themselves they talk. Now themselves they talk when at the year. Me when I know say this so we get to show example and the example get for come out for inside Yaoundé because now they will law it they come out and now they will the reject price for Kako them. We come on now, we go now for thing where don't happen for sharp morning time for side where they call out for Ngwang. Yes, Ngwang na name for person but na name too for village for side for Bakoko. Now then is where people of the council but we come out for city council they come for opposite Japoma Stadium. Yes, they say na Bakoko land. They come say so any man where they don't build for that side he get for grab. Now when they talk say so them two they don't run. Gone for side for southwest, they come for this side. Say na this side where peace day. When I still come again, say me then come out. That means say they go she don't for they go to say Nana on top tree. Or they go plan to stay on top people the house. When I see her, so they be there, they don't know say they so camera for LTM, it take them for style. So boy them inside don't quarter two, they can't join council. Last, they broke them for this morning time for 3 a.m. Where they never break. And another time where better sleep if they ever enter person eye. So now they place this. They don't scatter them. I say scatter them. Even some woman where just come out for very massa. He says be victim. See how they don't broke them. See inside where they don't broke them go reach. Ha! Well, it will be easy. They won't wake up or sleep. They sister they so council don't broke and so he go. And the one broke am, they thief all the tackle, go with them. Now when we ask and say this so, now council don't thief am, or now born for don't quarter. They say this so, then say they don't know. But how they to come group people them, they not talk. They say now for secret fence. That fence over there see. They don't come lie. Say this so, person go over a fence. He the complaint say this so. That people that go back there they disturb fence. They think don't pass it. They think don't pass it. Say how they go manage the disturb person way there for inside fence. This fence you don't pay by person. Or fence will be important past person. See all this proportion now here where they sit down. Some they may have been a day. Now they go for outside. Now think that way I will talk to this so we live for Cameroon. They say we be stranger. When we go for Alama in own country, we could live in a house. When you want time as MOKO Karabur for here, they say come out. When you want time for this side, they say you come out. That means say we be stranger. Now question where did they ask them? Now question where did they ask them for? The council people for that side. And they say they so big man for the country, if you don't talk say, me they not disturb any picking way na son of the soil for this Cameroon. But so when he talk, people then when they don't put them for some place, they know the year 12, the year 13. They will suffer, and you will suffer now your sisters. You will suffer now your brother. The same man will come for this gun with something, I will go back with something. Now this woman, this, where they ever say shoe. And either with belly, they don't come broke them now. You could do how? For buy kako, for take go born. Hey, madam, you could do how? Asha, I say they say silly pass them for that side. For and they don't run a gun. They come for this side where peace day. Since that when I want to me with the worker all time with kako for head, election not that far away. Time for election according to their talk. Say this so they wait them now only time for election. One person will land. Say this so when I vote for me. When I vote for me, now that time we go ask and we vote for you. Say we sleep for outside. When we want to do something, we check. Maybe we see now part 2 because we get for show now how it will happen. Now they find that. Yes, now they find that. And with the time, correspondent for site for Japoma, where they call him Tabor Claudette. Madame Tabor Claudette, now he says be cameraman for NJANGI house for site for Yasa. So don't enter Siam. All man be only vex na vex. Kako they for upside. They don't know the which direction where they get for tech. They don't know direction where they get for tech. Now so Cameroon there for Waka, they say no. For seeker fence. Why not na the person for fence? It don't come for come broke them. Why na cancel? Why na cancel don't come broke? But the people that they disturb the fence now for waiting. Now for not coming when I know say they so fence will be important past all this population. Now so you get for B. Now so you get for B country people them. This population now they go for side. Me they turn back again for side go the holla. Go die na die. And when they don't want die for that side, for can't live for this side. Bye. This country they say small time man where the work of vote it could settle control. And small time by school it could settle control because the movement and the system where we live there, you know the worker at all. System where we take and for live there, you know the worker at all. Me we talk the truth and then shame the devil. Although devil not like the truth. All these people they so they could take and go with them for outside. Had they cry my honor this speaking them where they get for go for school. They don't absent school today because they don't come broke them. Wake up them for sleep. I know one show when I say way picking and they sleep. I know one show when I play way picking and don't go to sleep. Under banana. I know one show when I because if I show when I now sometimes some people if you go catch fight with person where you get that fence. And now opposite that blind power they show for television. That power don't blind. Now opposite he. And now Bakoko people then we don't sell this place for this country people. Now council don't come in broken. Why the people that for Bakoko they don't come? For council say no, this place now we get them and this place now we get them for we brother them. They know they disturb no person. No man no time. That when they don't finish broken small time you go see commission go come out. For go for them now. And when they want go now selling after the market. Now selling after the market. Madam she don't find no fault. Yes. I never finish talk, you don't finish fall for down. Where? All these women, them, see this woman with a scratch your head. Angel come over, go bury woman, you must out. Angel come back for village, this one so. Angel come over side for northwest, we go bury husband, we don't die. Now in this now, A1 come, 2 days. They don't broke house, now picking and that. Council know they ask and say this picking and go live in a house. Council know very time. Whatever they go there, whatever they go there alive, their owner for come broke up. Now for make a me when I know say this so we still need plenty thing them for inside country for do am. And if we not do am, we will also dey for inside trouble. Yes. If man they call WhatsApp number, that means say inside your head instead of sense. Now water instead the inside because they never that WhatsApp when I go the call. Leave and country man. Yes. You want call we go knock with small message. Me we ask them for this countryman. This thing don't happen now which time? And where to be the problem when I hear to where this countryman will talk. Oh yeah.
Yeah, my brother. If you tell me what happen.
Okay, now with this way we don't come off for that side for Anglophone as thing then the strong for that side and as the war the all side we don't struggle for campaigns more we manage. Finally, council come for here say man will get the war. Don't talk say they spoil the war. We don't know whether they spoil the war now how they come for here with people can give book for here say after how many days they will come broke the place. Unfortunately now in this way they don't come broken for night where no man no be aware. Everything will be there for inside my store will be getting for here. Don't tip and all. Boys they don't tip and all for here for this place. So now we don't come up for that type of struggle. Come for this side again. Now the same struggle they continue. Can't say the work group places them. They get small thing for manage for chop. In no way no day. So now we this now. We don't turn now for nothing.
You come now what time come broke?
They say around 3:30.
Jesus. Mais je ne sais pas vraiment, je ne sais pas ce qui se passe dans le Cameroun. Dans le Cameroun, là où chacun cherche ses 500 francs pour manger.
They don't come to me today, so we are just more to bury mama. So I know I make 2 weeks waiting for them. And in this way, I don't come for Sema can start like. I reach where they don't come to meeting. Carry all things, even pin. No nothing, no day. Place where they so I know no play will go start like again today. When my run come over Bamenda, how many days come back? So any man can manage life. Nothing this way what happen for my life again. So I've been homeless. I know no place will start. I know no place will go. All Robbie, all your word is sell them, all sepas, all things they don't carry, all things go. No nothing, no day. Before they want call me, I want to they don't thief all things, even one pin. I don't know. All things wrong.
It will go where
On ne sait pas. Après, ils sont arrivés à 3h. Ils nous ont cassé. Maman, ma maison, elle ne sait pas où aller dormir. Maman, moi, ma femme, mes 2 enfants et ma femme, elle ne sait pas où aller dormir. Apparemment, il va aller dormir à la mairie, elle ne sait pas comment il va faire. Ici, il est passé partout.
Ah, c'est c'est à quelle heure? Ça s'est passé à quelle heure?
Ils sont arrivés ici aux environs de 3h. C'est à 4h qu'ils ont passé la carte. Je ne sais pas comment ça s'est passé. Même, apparemment, il ne sait pas comment il va faire.
Ouais.
Il est ramassé là-bas chez moi.
Oh. A person this way don't dey for quarter. For more.
He don't talk when I don't hear. No be say when I never hear. He don't talk when I don't hear. Fine. He no get play where he could go sleep. Small time when I will carry big drum. Come say this so. When I vote for we, I be don dey tell when I says. When I vote person where when I see every day. Me when I no vote some person where she don't different side. Council dey different side. Development that will happen now for side where council a day. Man, you're not go there for some side, council dey different side. But that people they don't talk say thing way it don't happen, and don't find them. Okay, now we get to come on now. We talk now, palava waiting. Me we don't have a side for the weather for go see them. They say God is strong. Now in that. Now that became the way I'm not sure now. Where this Wimbo woman and this Wimbo man will get first cap. Yes, first cap with the two picking them. Now the woman is for front. So God be don't bless them with 4 picking them. One time. So play when they so that they suffer and they also talk so they so me when I help because they picking them over drink milky. So now what I man away there with white t-shirt, if we go for day with the unsmarting, say they so me go try for help them. So what I man the tell we say they so he there, he and the woman, and so he brought them with the day for outside country, and them don't gather this small leaf for give for them. So that means they manage day. And if he talks to them, so any person will want to help this family. Me just try for contact and them, me not pass through some person for help them. Because plenty they way when they talk, say they don't send them, they say they know they see them. So nothing that way will happen, and this speaking and they can make 1 year as they be born them. So they over suffer. And they also they beg for help for those way they get a good heart. So God, if He bless you for your own way, but He don't bless this family with 4 picking them. Now they mommy this for before, and now papa that for me will do. So when I Asha, God it is also look at the picking them. Then next week we will still show now the other woman will be born on the 9 picking them where people will be argue. We could turn back again for the walla and then go find ye for sight for city's sake, so that we will see how they picking them. They don't be now. We come over that one now, we talk Palava waiting, we talk Palava this fixed road. This one na Kumba 2. I say now for Kumba. Where the population for Kumba 2, that means for that side for Kumba Watagori for Kumba Tanglin and for the main market. They don't come and say that so if the social she don't wait government for Yaoundé. Government will come, but they don't know the way government will come. So they decide now they come out with respect. And they say they so some company where they give with member with the drink. Say don't give cement them. Now we come out with our clothes. Now chef there. That means say LTM for meme too long shabaleng. Now he says they don't organize the community work. They bring Sansan, mix them with the cement. And then they say they so for side for Kumbawata, they go lock all pothole because that road will overkill Okada people them. Can't accident they happen. So this one don't make them. I check sense. Say they so me the SDO them for some time them. Me they look to way this SDO for meme it don't do it. See 2 for 7 for Baminda. See 2 for 7 for Baminda. Baminda we don't scatter all. Baminda in those days when you chop something it fall, even banana, you take and chop. But today so Baminda don't scatter, so no man no get time for fix up. I say me when I take copy work for 2 long shambalong. When I see, he says they will feel, he will control the work. Because no one say, 1 bag smell, it lasts, it sliced like an okra. Now that, see more time go find Chego Chidong. He know 1 year now, year say they don't finish up. He want to see up. And he said they don't start for Kuma 2. After they go for Kuma 3. After they go for Kuma 1. So the any side way pothole them for Kuma, this countryman he don't decide say they so they must lock all the pothole them. When I see him, I say Baminda. When I also take my money, I don't hear say they so they don't contribute money again for help those where the market be born. I hear say whether now will be held for commission or me that money not lost because all we will get the paper. Yes, all we will get paper. How do they contribute? But we concentrate for this one. This one we not get for the weight only Yaoundé. We say we fix the town. Money when they pay for market, for city council them, for council them, they really buy bags of cement, they fix road so. Not now only for the right for government for Yaoundé. No, not in this. Not in a fix and what they fix and so. So with the time plenty, the mayor for Kuma 2 and the SDO for Meme, Tundong Shabaleng. Although we show and so small time, some man go just come and say we know the shooting in Southwest. Because people anyway, they want for discriminate with people them. Now Tundong Shabaleng that now. He said they so shaking no day. Him or day. Then finish them. They continue to the next site. So we return all the professors for Kumba 2 as they become out plenty for this work because now that zone. They never leave that zone, it is scatter. So it not be normal. If we feel the work so, for all time and all quarters, we not go complain again. We not go complain again. I will tell when I say some more time, Ezra from Momoko go she don't go down the spy outing. If you look left and right, me man not slice with cement. Because no boy the okay town. Maybe ask them now for SDO for Meme Tundong Shabaleng. Countryman, why you not be right for Yaoundé? Me government send cement. Talk me with here.
To do this particular work because I used to say it, I'm tired to write. Administration of writing, all of us are tired. The population are also tired to receive letters. The most important is that what can be solved at the local level. What can be solved at the local level, let us do it. Let us do it. People who have invaded the whole Kumba. Okada are dying there. Other people are dying there. While waiting for money from the central level, let us see what we can do at the local level. That's how you remember. I saw the chairman of Tanzania who offered 100 bags of cement to the STO because I told you that you can support me in order to fill all those potholes. This morning I started with Kumbatu because you share all those bags of cement to those municipalities. The dates we were waiting, nothing was done. We decided now to do it ourselves with all those municipalities concerned. I am working today with the team of Kumbatu to try to see what can be done in order to save life of innocent people who used to die left and right here. Once more, thank you to the mayor of Kumbatu with his own team. Go, you see, since morning he here with me. I will, after Kumbatu, we will go to Kumbatiri, after Kumbatiri, Kumbawan, because I'm tired to talk, I'm tired to write. Now is action. We are not here to stay forever in our offices. Let us work. Let's all work together in order to improve the living condition of our population. Thank you.
Well, our roads have been through battles on time, a lot of potholes. So we decided that today at least we should come out as one man, as one person in the team, to make sure we fill all our potholes coming towards the bridge. It was a mighty pothole that we have caused serious accidents that people were reading down. So I talked with my regional officer this morning and he said that we should all come out and make sure all the potholes around the subdivision along the highway is filled. That's why we are here this morning.
We come on now, we go now for site for Fumbot. From Fumbot, go for site for Magba, na confusion. Since where trouble be there, where any man don't deny, for come out, pass through Babinda, and then pass from Dop, before going for Wainama, reach for site for Jakiri, before can reach for site for Takija, and then enter for that site for Squares for Kumbo, before you reach for site for Tatum, and then do. So they wrote any man be fear, so they take Nana shot. When you come over for Sam, you pass for site for Fumbot, and then you go reach for site for Kotaba. You reach for site for Fumban before you go reach for Magba. After them, I said to Moto them, they said they so they want for make a love. And then this Moto will just come over loot for site for Bafosam. Where they go for site from Kambe, it don't come remain for here. Kind people they don't get caught. I say kind people them they don't get caught for this accident. When they say driver go small, driver say this, so if I go small, money for settle control. From side for Bafosam, go for side from Kambe, I'm not going to succeed because settle control, they say na 2,000. And control, and they more than 20, you go set to go for side. So they run quick. So when they go reach, when they want come back, they settle again. Moto don't decide one time to go side, put all you put them for air. That means that this one a woman moto because he don't give life now for love. He give life for love. Like that. Mommy, when they go for side for Magba, now them that they don't carry me here. Asha, live and countryman. Yes. We go now for side for Bafman. For enter back for Tiwo, we don't show him. When I see how they don't solve the problem, because anything where to remain show them, that means a solution it must come out. And with the time plenty, the fun for buff men, we don't try for bring peace for a village. Me will go see them. This one, the time this way, fun for buff men, it don't come out enter for a village. Your village be there for inside fire, total fire. I say your village be there for fire. Well, buff men people them, they sleep now for bush. Fulani them, they sleep now for bush. Because Fulani and buff men people them, they be get trouble. Well, buff men people them, be talk say so. No person don't carry bro man on top Okada for reach Bamina. And but when people them too they decide say so they're not going to say that chop for Fulani people them. Fulani them too say they so they're not going to say that me too for them. So total conflict it be there for this buff men. Now where buff men woman then they come out. That when they say fund they come. Yes, fund it don't come. And it come for can do wait fund don't come for can join the two people them. Me they be one person. And now soon they get for solve problem. And with the time we plenty because he don't do fighting. He don't do fighting and nothing this way. We need them. No that kind of village where they for inside problem. But from there different side. Village they catch. From there different side they enjoy. So this fund he decide for go say this so Mororo na my brothers. Bafu men na my brothers. Now them put me fund. How I could them now? They kill themselves. So they call all title holder them, they call all Fulani them, call all buff men people them, say me man no go farm. And me man no follow cow that day. They be can flop. They can flop. Can we? Yes. They found them inside this motor. They found them inside this motor, that front for buff men. So when man do fighting, me we accept say don't do fighting. I don't show the very problem. When I see blood with the outside, they cut people that will collapse, choke people that will knife. It not be easy. So last, peace it don't last come. Last, peace it don't last come. When I don't see people that will host no, yes, now fund that. Now fund that they come. Where you on cap it they on, they get white thing on top. I know we put them on because I know be fun. Now in this, now the fund that they come. Only profession and those where they don't talk say come good. Now full I need them don't talk say me come good. Plenty because of them they plenty. When I see them no. So me the other from them they take example. Those from where they don't leave their population inside trouble. When I take example for this countryman, this fund, now in that you see say for the right side now big man for a Muslim. He did for that side. So now the fund is it go enter for inside house and they go sit down, they go talk, solve the problem, it go come on now, talk for both buff men and Boro people them. So this one continue in the same way we encourage them. When I see them no, so they become them too and they talk to this so go up and down, peace in my reign for sight for buff men. You see them no, they don't say now spook man. Yes, spook man for can't talk for population. So me they calm that's down that's temper. Fun in the talk with the people them for inside, he could finish come for them now. Me we here now, thing where fun for buff men in the talk for buff men people them and he brothers and Fulani. Me we here in the talk.
Okay, well, me again na ado for you. I get one problem before I want to talk. What's that man with talking about? I want to know here something I like you. Why would I not talk about mental? We talk. So why not make speech for about mental? Okay, repeat that thing we talk off about mental.
Point.
Okay, number one problem. Yes. I know they want to talk like that. Will you talk? No. Some begin them now, don't begin talk. Then the first problem now they will start. Because you stay with the man for one day for the same bill. You know they talk when they talk. It means you know like they talk. Now first problem. Because language, it solve plenty. Because if some woman pass by a family, you go with the problem don't be solved 100% before I even start. You don't hear them. talk for us also because I don't tell you, say we be Bafman people. If some Bafman man consider una like trader, now you will go driver. Immediately it's not going to be Bafman man. It cannot be trader. When I don't come for you, my ancestor, now you don't give land more than settle, he accept una. Yes, sir. But because we need little for chop, and we two they go make corn, una two need corn for chop on a cow. So we two join together, make the village when they call them Bafmen. And as I declare Ado, Bafmen start from Fundok, they reach for Nigeria. So we get plenty land. How una go should have a small land for hill for Ipa and the way they get. Una they fight for the way we get extra land all over. So man, one land for cow, you can't see me. I will give you land. So man, one land for farm, I can't see me. I will give you a land for farm. Problem is I come to tell when I say peace, peace, peace. As I stand for years, so Minister of the Territorial knows how to for here. Because that palaver e-pilot, you don't overring. You will make noise. I feel that all time e-pilot, what is wrong? No, I come one word, peace. Peace. You don't talk correct things, say, you just start of resting. No one stop him immediately. Huh? When stop him, even if we get bad thing for her, make it end today as a wrong time. Make it end. If some man can't find trouble, don't come up. If you don't see me for that, don't put people in. They will hear that told me. They will come find you. If they hear,
you don't finish. Yes, leave them. So fun with the time you plenty. Maybe go now for side for Gawa for go sitting with minister. He don't do harm for Muslim brothers and sisters as they don't start Shumai. So it will be na Totangando for that side. Time with the yesterday so mommy he don't come and he won't come, he come with chop. Now chop that. Now chop that up. Well, minister where they come and say MOKO test. Like that. He don't just say that so he not forget. He won't go, he not go, you want. He take his son, brother them when a minister too, then go for that side. Say this so as they could celebrate Women Day after now Ramadan. So it is hand for them. Hand for the Muslim community for that side. Now the big man is chief for Muslim community for that side for Garwa. Now he be the blue talk and now Madam Minister. Me we yet way minister the talk.
And happy to see that I've completed a duty, sharing with our community, Muslim community, mainly at this moment of Ramadan. I'm doing it in the name of my father, Commandant Kecha, who worked here in Garwa from 1957 to 1962, before leaving to Marwa. In the name of my mom, who continue the sharing action of my father when he left, peace to GSO, and doing that since many years. I was in Yaounde, I was in Douala, every year in Bangante. Doing that is the vision of the head of state, His Excellency President Paul Biya. The beneficiaries who...
So when I don't hear thing where Madam Kecha Cortez, he don't talk. And not only for Garwa, the game all side for Cameroon. You see, I don't talk say grandpapa be come on for that side for Garwa. So enough forget Muslim brother them. So in minister daily this one way, he hand them be free. When you pass for corner, ma, good evening, oh, he say take 1,000, take 5,000. But so other minister then they way for sending their hand into your pocket na trouble. Yes. So me the other minister they wanna see how this woman anytime it give. So when I only time with money, small time, then say when I go for Konenge, when I begin to cry now. And we, if when I be the help, the people that when I be the help them, they for the come they give when I chop 2 for day. So me the other minister they know that self because if I want to start the count they go dark way for you. minister, you go for your office like 10 times. You know if you ever talk, say, you come on which side, you go pay, take the one, pay. No, it's also they tight. And they love when no man will become with money and no man will go with money. Now we never will come back and then we enter calling. So we go to talk. Now this place where trouble they ever come. When they talk say calling. Now where any man go tell me now or show me how they ever confused. So no confusion no day. If you follow it where they talk, you no go confuse. Before you want call this program, off the volume for your TV. And then me now you talk now normal for phone. Where you finish now, you give chance for some person. But if you want talk and then the year for television where you get them for your house, that means say you don't fail yourself. That means say you no go work because I will call you. No me I will call you na technician, they call you. And then put different person where it go reason. Yes. First caller, wait to go for top 20 seconds. You know the pass. Yeah, how do you know countryman? Yeah, now who the call?
From Banyo.
Yes.
You don't stay over me to you don't forget me.
No, I never forget you. Don't come back.
You don't say I know they for Cameroon, I just come back now.
Now when I get money, no country. Now when I go white man country, me and them my white man.
I share for you. How for you?
Now God will help you.
How for you?
Now all with the tongue of God because now only God they protect we.
Okay, long time. I will see you after. I will send you something. No worry.
Now so they ever talk. You will talk after you send me something. All man will hear. After no go see them. Now trouble. Yes. Hello. Yes. He go talk to all man go talk say no. That man be talk say because he don't thank you for work. We never send him. Now so they plenty. Hello. We they talk the very thing. Man they do the very thing. Now think that why they tell when I say this so. No see person as they work for us so. Say they did the same. No, you talk something for speaking for class 1, he understand. Talk to him for pa, he no understand. Hello?
Yeah, MOKO. Good morning, my dear brother.
Good morning, countryman. Your own name now. You recover for which part for country?
Taximan NJANGI for Boya.
They own the cleanest taximan for side for Boya with you.
Thank you, my brother. I want to congratulate the chief of government. So even as so will be something and solve the problem. They will not inside which will they now, so my brother. People know what it's about. So why don't we take initiative for that whether chief of government will make a man and live in peace, my dear brother. Who will take example for that chief? Who go and begin and two, may they put them down too, may they talk two together. May put them kids live the how they live the one family. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you. So any man again for talking on. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning. Now this is the call from the Borough.
Yes.
I want to talk about that show for government.
Yes.
Fine. See how now so the congratulate the chief of government because Mrs. Abe from see when some people then get problem like that full and it will control them. You never go solve the problem now. Only one man. You don't gather all them together. Make any man know say now so. So I want time chief for government for the way we solve the problem.
Thank you, countryman.
May all man take example say now so they solve problem. They solve problem one man.
So now so when I don't hear no. Yes. Then when we solve problem with one person. When two people then get problem, they solve it. How they be solve the one for the problem where it be happen for grandstand from Campbell between man and two phones and now one man and his brother. So they be solve them too. That one we still get a day for bring them. Me they not just say this so we not go bring them. We will bring them. Show how the problem is start and then show how they don't fix them. And with the time they phone them for that side for Wimbumland where the president now phone for Tala when I turn up like the president, he will solve the problem for the level. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Good morning, countryman. Your own name now. Who you the call for outside?
My name is Ron Fidelity School at the call of Abusam.
Yeah, what is that for me? Tell me we here, we give you 20 seconds.
Yeah, me I want to say MOKO, me I congratulate for Bagneno. Because me I come up in a home. Nothing that you will have home. For whom we Muslim people, that's what I need them.
Yes.
make peace, they will find now.
Correct. Thank you. Yes. So now, so we get for the solve problem, even for inside your house. Even you now, brother, get problem. Try way for call the other brother and sister. Then when she done with the, when I solve the problem, not fine. That thing way man they pass, you know, it's a lot person. It not make no sense. No, now so God became me and you say me who come became live for this ground. Now because if this money don't come spoil thing them, Satan and the interchurch. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, countryman. Your own name and the salary you call. You get 20 seconds. We feel everyone.
General Moko, good morning. My name now come Albert. I want to
wait till you get for tell me for 20 seconds.
Yes, I want to talk now about that council where they broke down that people they exposed their soul.
Yes.
For me, my own team I became a contributor. I became a talk if I will be among those people who are advised that when they go for the mairie for the council because she over there will respond to mayor or who may or show the place sleep over the stay with mayor today. What I got 5 very high. Which will be happy to see that one. Thank you, General Moko.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello, countryman. We salute all man for side for ISO and we salute all man for side for Banyong. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Moko.
Who did call the person there about side?
Francis.
You did call for side?
For Ite Baduala.
Yeah, for Ite Baduala for that side for corner non glassy. What you there for tell you, countryman?
Well, I want time the phone of government.
Yes.
For that peace will bring them for the people. It shows them all people, not only for the head of state. All that people really take example from government. If they be big so, all we for them in peace.
Okay.
With the top peace, they will not put them into practice. Thank you, Mr. Moko.
Thank you. Now only for LTM we will have VCM. Good morning, countryman. Hello? We get some person again for second line. Good morning. How now, countryman? Yeah, how are you?
I do fine, General Moko.
Who they talk? I know the hear you fine.
Yeah, Nachi Eric, the call from Ebolova.
Yes. We hear you.
Yeah, General Moko, Abuwan Ray talk thank you for the wet way the maker with the not Siam. And Abuwan beg say me all funding for Northwest, me the way try for corporate way the other fund don't do them. So that would bring peace on our side. I always that Abuwan talk.
Thank you for that on side. Salute all my way to watch the program for that side. You feel follow me for Facebook. The name for the Facebook na General Moko NJANGI House LTM. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, now first woman don't call this program today. Yeah, on them now. Who you call for which place?
My own name is Delphine.
You the call for what? Come up for television. Yes, from Jombe, come up for corner television. You talk, we will hear you fine.
The call for Jombe.
Yeah, talk.
I want to say that song about men. You know, at times, I need other people to be talking what you read on them. All we would dear sign to this country.
Thank you. Salute.
I want to end up again for talk say that's not the way they work and broke and so we people their house. They have straight back act. Let this government of this country need look for that thing where they do and say be very bad for the render people their homeless.
Thank you. Yes, anyhow we do. Hello?
Yeah, hello, Jeremy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wait, now you call the person there both side.
Yeah, nah, the job guys and picking for low at the cover Bamila.
Yes, we hear you.
Yes, I appreciate that fund for government. That fund don't do thing where the work or the work will glad for you. Maybe plenty people and copy for you. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We salute the fund for that side for low. We salute the fund for that side for Ntondi. We salute the fund for side for Ngarum. Good morning. How are you? Okay, we salute the fund for side for Nwangri. And we salute the fund too for that side for Nkambe. We salute fund for side for Ako. And we salute the fund them for that side for Nwa. What you never talk, we never forget to the fund for that side for Dumbu. You know they ever miss the program. What you never talk, me you talk now. Hello? Hello? We the salute, oh man, we the salute Pajo. Yes, Pajo there for a ticket now for my 8. Yes, for my 8 for corner 8 time. It also don't see her SDO for side for Meme. It day for Boya. It try for block pot hold them. But the road where we can launch them for come out for side for Mabanda Kumba for reach for Tombel. Say they say the road they don't forget them. I know. Even I say don't forget, let me say you don't talk them. You don't hear. What you get for talk me, you talk now, countryman. Yes. No go talk for backside because more time will come out go we. What if we talk concerning Women's Day now tomorrow? I know 1 year after tomorrow, the person start the time. He say, General, you know say my woman before for sleep for upside. You know say we do this. No, that one I not go hear me. Now where you get for talk. 650608498 695539094. Yes. You call them and then we go pick them and then you talk to where you get them for talk. Country people. Yes, either they say the telephone to the disturb, or you don't spoil na spoil. Who could buy me another telephone now? Since I for Cameroon, people throw hands so they pass number. Yes. And information the inter we say there's a bomb. It don't holler for side for that side. Yes, for border this morning. So we still define art. Yes, correspondent there for that side. It could make a me know. Hello? Good morning.
Morning. I miss Sylvia for a day. What you call?
Well, long time I never hear this woman again. You will go to white man country?
No, I just miss.
Okay. How you prepare for tomorrow?
I need to tell me that one because that one is this way. They ever people a plenty woman picking them. Yes.
Okay.
I want to talk for that place where that council, but they do that council the way, no fine.
Yes.
And they do scatter money as way. They need to make them for no. Now I can't say they make the way they ever die with January. If you know if you can bribe una, they una can't scatter money as. Now scatter all man so we una need to make them for no say. Una get for scatter how una get for ask question before una do that council. Don't address me. This whatever watching all that book and the baby why don't overhurt me plenty.
Okay, we take another person. Thank you for side for idea. Hello, countryman. Now who? Oh, Mado. This man they so this title people and they so sees man they dream member for palace. Chop foul. They will go come for that side. Okay, wait. No problem, no day. Share the Mado. For Cook Village, I want
to appreciate that mayor for Kumbatu.
Yes.
Because the accident no fine. Eventually, when you be mayor or will be either who councillor, when you begin fixing that pothole them for inside town, so that the bike or motor the worker fine. I appreciate you for that one fine. Say me go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Shege Madu. Yes. Now title holder for that side for Cook Village, we salute to Mfo Bernard. Yes, Mfo Bernard for Chokokam. He says come up for that side for Cook Village. Yes. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, MOKO.
Yeah, you sleep or you be there now for outside?
No, I'm not sleep.
Who they call the person there now for outside, sir?
Yeah, Mr. Tonka Johnson at the corner from Creedy.
Yes. Oh, for Creedy. Now people and this way they chop live for Creedy. Yes, I hear you, sir. Okay, don't go in. Hello?
Yeah, MOKO.
Hello?
Yes, MOKO. Good morning.
Good morning. They call you say Tabo Lodot outside for Japoma.
And sister, me. Tabo Lodot outside for Japoma.
Yes, now you can go for
Yes.
Now you can go for play that thing happen. What really happened? So that means
I tell you, our brothers and sisters, they cry. They be now homeless. They don't scatter down those people them. Just for the reason, say they did for backy wall. Say they did for backy wall. I don't really know whether now which kind of country this will be inside now. For back fence, right for back, not even for front defense. You don't imagine.
So they talk say they don't bring them for security and they go to stay for outside now.
I tell you, say they don't bring them, so they don't get place to go. They did the homeless. I don't carry about 10 people bring them from my compound for inside my house. They just inside people, they attack with them. I don't really know. I don't know. Papa, I beg, I thank you as you really show the image so that make people really see what they really happen. I also forgive these people there. They don't pick them. The family people them, yes.
So tomorrow now Women's Day, how you prepare? You will go.
Women's Day. You don't make how many years that uniform. I don't even if I tell you I don't know the color, you know agree. But I be one, the one already will go forward. Then you move on. We are together. But I don't lie you. I know some. I don't know about. I don't really yes.
Thank you. We take another person, hello? It didn't say time don't catch me. Last person talk quick. I want go me. Okay, the waste time. Hello, countryman. We salute all man for side for Manjo. We salute to those who they did for that side for Penja. We greet all man for that side for place where they call them for Unconsamba. Hello? No, we don't fit take this man. You know 1 Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Now, woman. Tomorrow, now, when I day, wait till you don't keep them. Forgive them for me. For Vongi?
Yes.
For okay.
Yes.
What do you want for talk with you?
I've been talking about the power don't shut in there for Ramadan. I thank you so much.
Ah, Madam Minister. We don't shut in there for Garwa. Yes. What do you want to do?
I follow your program since I know the time when you talk about kids.
Okay, Abangi, you know that with
know the work. If you market no day, in the road they know the because they're there for village so they don't go to school.
Okay, for Saivongi.
Yes, all school they no school no the work for them. Even market no nothing no day.
Okay, we go send camera for that Saivongi. Me come film, man.
Okay, I don't know how to try. Even begin they made a try manage to go to school.
Okay, thank you. That's so. So, you don't talk your own problem with the first and for that at own village. Countryman, yes, leave them. The program don't finish. We will still go back for school because for Cameroon, if you know the learning person every day, that means say, you know they do your work. When you hold your phone so, you video something you get for send and for me. When I look and find. When you want video something for send and for me, the people them for send for Ngi. Yes, this last call, we don't talk to this, so school they know to go, that means say school they know for inside bush. Me when I for side Ngi, when I go to for side west school day, video am, you send them for me. And then now me, I go know how I go talk them and how I go show them. Well, when I video am, I will send them for me, when I send me the information. You see them no? Yes. But if you hold on so, you video am not pass their time for send them for me because I not go use them. Country people. So, but for president, yes, the president for Wimbom general meeting we did for that side from Bongo, whether I come 5 or come 2, say he tried to for contact to Rehas, yes, and president we did to for that side for famous Swiss, yes, president for the population for Northwest, where they did for side for famous Swiss, me try to for contact to Rehman because they get talk together. Any man we want support meeting way all camera people them for this program NJANGI has where they could meet up for Bafang. Yes, we will tell another day. Any man we want support with for the meeting is support them because it needs the way you do work, it need for the whole meeting. So that me any man know where to we get for do. Me they not go left and right. So we salute the cameraman for side for Libialem and the cameraman for side for Likumba, the cameraman for side for Motengani. When Njanka, yes, except it was the program. We salute the cameraman for side for Limbe, cameraman for side for Konjok, and the cameraman will get them for side for Ndu, Tala Valentine. We salute to Free Boy, when a cameraman for NJANGI has for side for place where they call him now for that side for Santa. We salute to Mr. D. Richard two way there for that side for Baminda, and with the great all man way he did. Yes. And then the cameraman, then when they did for inside the water, they did plenty. Tampo Jones, Yerema Richard, they did plenty. They follow up for same. We'll get images for that side with Tabo Claudette. All them, they go there for that meeting. So we need support for country people them for upside. So we don't finish talking. And tomorrow now, Women's Day. NJANGI has a surprise winner. Man, we miss program for tomorrow, now you know. Now you know. Tomorrow, and a woman get the day. And tomorrow na woman get for present this program tomorrow. And if you get woman then two way they go there for corner, where you know them go blow talk. Yes. So tomorrow when I no go see me, and they talk only for Siam, I no go pass me here tomorrow. Yes. So as na woman day, na woman them go make all program for Toreas tomorrow. So Flora, Jingla na SSF e go there for Toreas tomorrow. Sharp morning time, e go first give una small tea. Me una drink when you want bid now. For 10 o'clock that time, they don't finish cook for corn and jama. All man, it go chop them that time. No miss am. I say no miss am. Leave am tomorrow. My brother carry me go look place she don't see her come to the worker. We don't go. Bye bye.